Ready to give your space a sleek, modern vibe that feels straight out of the future? These futuristic home decor finds are designed to transform your home with bold style, smart design, and eye-catching details. From lighting to statement pieces, everything here brings a fresh, modern edge to your everyday space. Check the links in the description to explore them all. What if your wall could breathe? This S-curved bubble panel is a 4-foot-tall living display that fills any room with rising, glowing, endlessly mesmerizing bubbles. 8 color-changing LEDs light up the water from within, and you control the whole show from your phone or the included remote. The sleek acrylic S shape gives it a sculptural, high-end look that works beautifully in cafes, lobbies, offices, or even a bold living room. It runs on safe, low-voltage power and needs almost zero maintenance. Just plug it in and let it do its thing. Not every lamp lights up a room. This one also makes it smile. A sculpted flamingo in polished gold resin holds up a fluffy white feather shade that diffuses light into a warm, dreamy glow. At nearly 30 inches tall, it's got serious presence on a nightstand, side table, or entryway console. The feathered shade softens the light so it feels cozy and inviting rather than bright and harsh. Perfect for winding down in the evening. If you know someone who loves a little personality in their home decor, this one makes a seriously memorable gift. Some chairs sit in a corner. This one owns the room. A clear acrylic swing chair that looks like it was designed for a penthouse, and honestly, it deserves one. The transparent shell gives it an almost weightless, floating appearance, while the cushioned fabric seat keeps you completely comfortable. A sturdy chrome metal base keeps everything grounded, so you get the drama without the wobble. At over 5 feet tall, it's not just a chair, it's a statement piece your living space will thank you for. This isn't just a mirror, it's a mood. The wavy sculptural frame is inspired by a legendary 1970s postmodern design, and it's become the internet's favorite selfie mirror for good reason. 7 color LED options backlight the frame, so you can dial in anything from a cool blue glow to a warm golden hour vibe, all from the included remote. The opalescent acrylic frame is lightweight but feels premium, and it arrives fully assembled so you can hang it and start obsessing immediately. Bold, playful, and completely unforgettable, this one transforms whatever wall it lands on. Good design knows when to let nature take the spotlight. This glossy black planter pairs with exotic orchids and real driftwood to create something that looks less like decor and more like living sculpture. The sleek, fluted silhouette works beautifully in both modern and traditional spaces. It quietly elevates whatever room it enters. Built from premium fiberglass, it's frost-resistant and tough enough for indoor or outdoor use, so it looks beautiful and actually lasts. If you want a centerpiece that stops people mid-conversation, this is it. Small space, big problem, until now. This clever table lives a double life. Fold it out, and you've got a full dining table that seats 4. Fold it back, and it becomes a 5-tier storage shelf. It's built from sturdy MDF with a solid metal frame that holds up to 300 pounds, so it's as tough as it is smart. The industrial rustic finish looks sharp in any kitchen or dining room, and setup takes about 10 minutes right out of the box. If your home needs to work harder, this table is ready for the job. No batteries, no plug, just pure magic. This rotating candle holder spins entirely on its own. The heat from the candle below is all it needs to get the carousel turning. Silhouettes of angels, deer, stars, and more cast gentle, dancing shadows around your room as it moves. It comes in a range of styles so you can match it to any mood or occasion, from cozy winter nights to wedding centerpieces. Light a candle, watch it spin, and suddenly the whole room feels different. Your wall is begging for this. A handcrafted tree branch that mounts directly to the wall, turning bare space into a stunning display. Each branch is shaped from real natural wood, so no two are exactly alike. Yours will be one of a kind. The floating shelves tuck in wherever you want them, holding books, plants, candles, or anything that deserves a little spotlight. At over 6 feet tall, it's not just storage. It's the most interesting thing in the room. Furniture that moves like it's alive. This award-winning swivel fitting lets an entire cabinet rotate open with a single sweep of your hand. No handles, no awkward pulling, just one smooth, elegant motion. It works in kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, offices, basically anywhere you have a cabinet that deserves to make an entrance. Whether you're redesigning a kitchen or outfitting a home office, it fits right in. If you're building or renovating, this is the kind of hardware that turns ordinary furniture into something people actually talk about. The sofa that does more without asking anything of you. One press of a button and the Clara transforms from a sleek, modern sofa into a full, flat bed. No pulling, no tugging, no effort. You can adjust the headrest angle to exactly where you want it, and each side extends independently so two people can customize their own comfort at the same time. It comes in a range of materials from boucle fabric to pet-friendly leather, and sizes that scale from a cozy double to a generous triple. Honestly, once you have a sofa this smart, a regular one just won't cut it. Small object, big personality. This handcrafted wall vessel mounts anywhere and works everywhere. Fresh flowers in the kitchen, bath brushes in the bathroom, keys and mail by the front door. It's inspired by vintage soap holders and shaped into something genuinely beautiful, available in unlacquered brass or polished nickel. Because each one is made by hand, no two are exactly alike, so the one you get is truly yours. At this price, you'll want one in every room. A vase disguised as a book, and honestly, it belongs on every shelf. This clear acrylic holder is shaped like a slim book spine, so it blends right in between your actual books, while quietly holding a few fresh or dried stems. It's compact enough to fit anywhere, a desk corner, a windowsill, a bathroom ledge, without taking up precious space. The transparent acrylic keeps it looking clean and modern no matter what you put in it. Under $10 for something this charming is basically a steal. Some lamps light a room. This one redefines it. The Arco is a floor lamp with an arc that stretches nearly 7 feet overhead, suspending a polished aluminum reflector right where you need it. No ceiling fixture required. A solid Carrara marble base anchors the whole thing so it stays perfectly balanced without any wall support. The satin stainless steel stem is telescopic, so you can adjust the height to suit the space. It's been an icon of Italian design since 1962, and looking at it, you'll understand exactly why. 8 feet of pure, moving calm. This floor fountain stands nearly ceiling height at 96 inches tall and 60 inches wide, sending a continuous sheet of water cascading down a stunning stone or glass panel. The translucent surface creates the illusion of water flowing on both sides, making it look twice as dramatic as it actually is. You can add programmable, color-changing LEDs to shift the entire mood of the room with a tap. It's one of the largest freestanding water features you can bring indoors, and in a lobby, office, or statement living room, nothing else comes close. This is the ceiling fixture that makes every other light in the room jealous. 8 gold arms radiate outward in every direction, like a sculptural starburst, instantly becoming the focal point of any space they hang in. The height adjusts from under 17 inches all the way up to nearly 54 inches, so it works perfectly over a dining table, in an entryway, or anywhere with high ceilings. It's compatible with any standard bulb type, and with dimmable bulbs, you can go from dinner party glam to cozy evening glow in seconds. All of that for under $50 is genuinely hard to believe. Forget everything you think you know about beanbags. This is something else entirely. A stretchy cotton spandex cover filled with micro beads that instantly mold to your body. No pressure points, no awkward repositioning, just pure give. It works as a chair, a recliner, a love seat, or a flat lounger depending on your mood. When you're not using it, it stands upright in just 3 square feet and weighs only 14 pounds, so moving it around is effortless. The cover unzips and throws right in the washing machine, which means spills and pets are no longer your problem. Your outdoor space just found its anchor piece. The Jericho is a sling chair that reclines into 2 positions, so you can sit up with a drink or lean all the way back with nothing on your mind. The faux rattan frame is actually wrapped aluminum underneath, UV and weather resistant, so it holds up season after season without fading or warping. Fast, dry foam cushions mean a little rain won't ruin your afternoon. It folds flat for easy storage when the season's over. Sophisticated, practical, and genuinely comfortable. This is the chair your patio's been waiting for. A fireplace that floats. The Gyro Focus hangs from your ceiling, suspended in midair, and rotates a full 360 degrees, so the flame faces wherever you want it. It was the first suspended fireplace of its kind when it launched in 1968, and nothing has really matched it since. The bowl is hand-spun from 3 millimeters thick steel, noticeably heavier and more refined than anything stamped out by a press, with invisible weld seams that give it a sculptural, seamless finish. At over 4 feet wide, the flame it produces is as dramatic as the design itself. This isn't just a fireplace, it's the most interesting object in any room it enters. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.